Amgra Sound Meta 2 Air wireless lavalier microphone. So I'm using this right now. It has two wind mounts. The transmitter, I already plugged the transmitter. It has noise reduction. We cannot hear the unwanted noise. We can only hear my voice. Ang init. And that's it for tonight. See you on my next vlog. Bye!